So what's the best way to spend a summer? Making friends from around the world, learning a new language, creating a spirit of curiosity and adventure? Well, if you want to tick all those boxes, then choose a St Giles Young Learner programme. Welcome to Canterbury, home to just one of our St Giles summer schools located all around the UK. Here we are literally moments away from the historic Canterbury Cathedral, part of a World Heritage Site. So what a magnificent place to learn. If you are between 7 to 18 and you have a passion for learning, then spending a summer at St Giles Young Learner programme will be unforgettable.
The students have a great opportunity to meet new friends, visit new places and study English in a fun environment.
We offer a safe pair of hands. Our staff are committed to providing care and supervision 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. From meeting the students at the airport when they arrive, to providing meals and ensuring secure and safe accommodation with staff on the premises 24 hours a day. We think of everything.
I'm from Spain.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Germany.
The accommodation here in St Giles is very good. It is large and comfortable.
I met a lot of people here from different nationalities and I met a lot of friends.
I'm having a really good time right here. The teachers are so nice and interactive and funny, and I'm learning a lot of English right here.
You can ask them anything and it's really great.
The teaching is done in small classes, no more than 15, so students make faster progress with their studies. But it's not just about being in the classroom. A summer at St Giles Young Learner programme is action-packed.
I would definitely recommend St Giles to my friends because it's so great here. You have lots of fun time. You're never gonna get bored. Your English will be really improved.
I would absolutely recommend St Giles to my friends because here you can learn English, you can make new friends and have an awesome time.
If you choose St Giles Young Learner programme, there's a full day of excursions every week, plus a packed programme of sports and fun every afternoon. There's karaoke, barbecues, go-karting, bowling. There's never a dull moment.
Parents should send their children here because the students are going to have a lot of fun. Fun learning English, fun on activities, fun meeting new students, and they're going to go home better than when they came.
Learning English, bags of fun, making lifelong friends from across the globe. A summer at St Giles is unforgettable. We love St Giles!